Okay, so I'm on the Shinkansen going from Yamagata to Tokyo for my flight, right? Now, check me out. So this is just a chair, it's a row of chairs. Now, I'm gonna hit this here, okay? And watch what I'm doing. I'm turning. So now, if I have more people, this area, we can face each other. And the Japanese is incredible. Okay. Now when I'm flying, I'm hit that. Turning. Ha! Isn't it awesome? There you go, Japan. Shinkansen. Okay, I got a lot of stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Backpack, big like this. I went crazy at the $1 store. This is almost $60 worth of stuff. $1 for one item. So it's like the Japanese version of $1 is really amazing. My snack bag, camera bag. Anyway, yeah, I gotta figure it out because I don't want to check the bags. Because if you check the bag, you gotta wait at the airport to pick up your bags, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a hassle. What is it? Carry-on baggage. Oh, this is from Totori to Haneda Airport. Yeah, they say it's okay to carry on the airplane, which is fine. Yeah, it's a small carry-on backpack thing. Anyway, Sensei gave me mikan, so I'm gonna eat it now. So, wanna see that awesome thing one more time? Okay. Press it down. Okay. You hold this thing, turn it around. Turn it around. Turn it around. Now, two rows can face each other. Having a good time. Only in Japan. Okay, I'm playing too much. I should say that I'm like a little kid just having fun around here. Okay. And there's a footrest. So you can rest here. Charging here is the same like the US, so you don't really have to have like, converter and whatnot. And if you eat something, just like the airplane, isn't it awesome? I'm telling you. And the restroom is very clean. It's cleaner than the hotel. I'm telling you. This one is called Tsubasa. It's Tsubasa is I don't know. It's like from Yamagata to Tokyo. It's called Tsubasa, but it's a Shinkansen. Anyway, happy travel, everybody. Winter break 2019-2020. Woo, happy travel, Japan. Wanna see some of this? Let's see outside. Nothing special really. It's snowing outside, so I love it. Anyway, my mikan, which is tangerine, but the Japanese kind, so it's very juicy, really good. Much better than the American one. I think it's sweeter. In the sweetness is like light, kind of not like the one of the Korean on Jeju Island. If you know what I'm talking about. Jeju Island is famous for their tangerine too. I forgot the name. They call it anyway, if I'm in Korea, I will never remember, but I don't know. The mikan Japanese tangerine is really